Effortless style meets practicality with a stainless steel serving trolley table, your perfect companion for entertaining, dining, or stylish storage. Designed for both beauty and durability, this trolley features premium stainless steel construction, rust-resistant and easy to clean. Two spacious shelves with 10 mm thick tempered brown glass, elegant, sturdy, and scratch-resistant. Heavy-duty lockable wheels, smooth rolling for easy movement and secure braking when needed. Versatile use. Ideal for serving food and drinks in dining rooms, hosting parties, or as a chic bar cart. Modern industrial design complements any home, cafe, or event space. Upgrade your serving experience with this sleek and functional trolley. Perfect for home chefs, entertainers, and hospitality use. Order now and enjoy convenience with elegance.